Hi everyone. So now we are going to start. You can see this chart on their website, JLPT website, where you can see timing for N4 and N5 is changed already. Now test timing is 25 minutes for vocabulary and 55 minutes for grammar and 35 minutes for listening section, and similarly for N5 also. This is 5 minutes reducing it. They are reducing 5 minutes in time, but number of questions are maybe they will not change number of questions. So each section will contain 60 marks and you have to get minimum 19 marks in each section. So I'm gonna show you the actual chart: vocabulary, grammar and reading, and next section is listening. Grammar and reading are combined in reading section. So in first vocabulary section they will contain five type of question, and grammar will contain three types, and reading will contain three types of questions. Each section is contain 60 marks. This is also 60 marks, and this is also a 60 marks question. So you they will not gonna mention what is the actual weightage of these questions: kanji, reading, orthography, and this. So they didn't mention this on their website also. So I am gonna show you what is the actual weightage by question marks. Okay, in this section you have to choose the correct option from four of them, and which contains the similar meaning of this kanji. And in the next section you can also see there is word which is underlined, and you have to select the correct meaning from all these four. And these two sections are 1 marks question, and they are from vocabulary section. And in the next section you will see you have to choose the correct option to fill this blank space, which is also a 1 marks question. And in the next section you have to choose the correct option with similar meaning given here in this question. So this is actually 2 marks question, and you have to think about it. And this section also contains 2 marks, and because they are sample papers, so they didn't mention all the number of questions. Okay, so in the next section you can see here, this is actually a grammar section where you have to choose the correct word and fill this position. So this section will contain 1 marks. And in the next type of question you have to choose the correct you have to fill all the four options in correct order, and where you get star, and you have to fill the answer sheet with that option. So this section will contain 2 marks. And in the next section you can see there is a paragraph which is comprehension time type, which can see here. Now comprehension is starting, and this is the most important section: reading section. Comprehension short passages, which will contain many of question, around 5 to 6 question, all of 2 marks question, which you can see these are all of 2 marks question. And in the next section when we go, uh, this is a medium sized paragraph which will contain around 1 to 2 question for each paragraph, and this is 3 to 2 marks question. Maybe it can be 4, but generally it is 2 or 3 marks question. And in the next section this will contain 2 to 3 paragraphs of such type. And in the next section you will see there is a chart type where you see here, this is an information retrieval type, and this is the most important type of question. This will contain around 2 questions for this bigger paragraph, and from this paragraph you have to find the correct answer, and you have to choose the correct option. All the questions are multiple choice question, I think you already know. So information retrieval questions are 4 marks question, comprehensive mid-size questions are 3 marks question, and short passages are 2 marks question. Test grammar is actually 2 marks question. Okay, so I already mentioned all of these things, so you can see here. So best of luck for your examination.